Dear students, hope you all are well. This is Shetu Mitra, Department of Agriculture Studies, Malastone College, Uttara Dhaka. Now, you all are welcome to my today's discussion. Today, I will discuss about Chapter 1, Section 1 from first paper. And the name of the chapter is Agriculture of Bangladesh, and the name of the section is Scope of Agriculture in Bangladesh. After completing today's lesson, you are able to know about the definition of agriculture, meaning of agriculture and agriculture studies, then the sectors of agriculture, mainly characteristics, difference, and now field crops and horticultural crops, then fisheries, classification of fisheries, then importance of fish culture, livestock, poultry, and social forest in Bangladesh. So, firstly, the sectors and agriculture. The word agriculture mainly comes from two Latin words. One is agar and another is cultura. Agar means soil and cultura means cultivate. So the meaning of agriculture is cultivation of crops in soil. And what is agriculture studies or agricultural science? So agricultural science is the branches of biological science which deals with the production, processing, marketing of crops, livestock, fish, poultry, social forest for the benefit of mankind. Now, I will discuss about the sectors of agriculture. Mainly, agricultural sectors are six. One is field crop, then horticultural crop, then fisheries, then livestock, then poultry, and then social forest. So, what is field crop? Mainly, field crops are that crops or those crops which are grown in a vast area without fencing, and field crops may be grown in highland, lowland, medium land, any types of land. And horticultural crops. Horticultural crops are the crops which are mainly grown in highland or high medium land with fencing. Then the fish. Mainly fish is a cold-blooded vertebrate, and here we discuss about mainly chondrichthyes fish and osteichthyes fish. Then the livestock. Mainly livestock is the animals which are rare in our home state and which have economic benefits. Then the poultry. Mainly poultry is the birds which are rare in our home state and which have also economic benefits. The main example of poultry is duck, chicken, etc. Then social forest. Mainly social forest is the forest which are developed with the active participating of social people. And our example of field crop is mainly rice, jute, and the horticultural crop is mainly the flowers, fruits, etc. Now, the characteristics of field crops and horticultural crops. The question maybe came in like the characteristics of field crops, or write down the characteristics of horticultural crops, or the difference between field crops and horticultural crops. You already know that field crops mainly the crops which are grown in vast area without fencing, and the crops may be grown in large highland, medium highland, lowland, that is all types of land. And the horticultural crops which are grown in small area around the homestead, and these crops can be grown in highland and medium highland. Mainly, the area of field crops is vast and the area of horticultural crop is small, medium or large. Then the intercultural operation. Mainly, the intercultural operation are same, but horticultural crops are taken care individually, where the field crops are taken care simultaneously. All crops are taken care together, and the intensive care is more required in horticultural crop compared to field crops. Then mainly field crops are annual crops, that is these crops are grown in annual, and horticultural crops may be seasonal, may be annual, may be biennial, may be perennial. All types or all kinds of seasonal crops can be cultivated. Then the cost of production. Mainly the cost of production and risk both are more in field crops, and the risk and cost of production mainly smaller in horticultural crops compared to field crops. The main example of horticultural crops are rice, jute, different types of pulse crops, different types of like cotton, jute, and the main example of horticultural crops are all types of flowers, all types of fruits, all types of vegetables, and all types of spices. So here some important knowledge-based question can come from the classification of horticultural crops. That is, how many vegetables are cultivated in Bangladesh? The answer will be 50. And how many fruits are cultivated in Bangladesh? The answer will be 70. How many flowers are cultivated in Bangladesh? The answer will be 30. And how many spices are cultivated in Bangladesh? The answer will be 40. These are very important knowledge-based questions and multiple choice questions. So these are the characteristics and comparison of field crops and horticultural crops. Mainly, field crop can be classified in different categories like granular crops, that is rice, corn, etc., and different types of medicinal crops, different types of pulse crops, different types of oilseed crops. Now, I will discuss about the oilseed and condite. Mainly, these are the classification of fish according to the skeleton. Mainly, we you know that fish can be classified in the phylum is Chordata, then Vertebrata, then Gnathostomata. Class is Gnathostomata, and then the subclass is Osteichthyes and Chondrichthyes. And the characteristics of Osteichthyes and Chondrichthyes is very important for comprehensive based question. It may came that is the characteristics of Osteichthyes, or explain the characteristics of Chondrichthyes, or comparison between Osteichthyes and Chondrichthyes. Firstly, I see the example of Osteichthyes and Chondrichthyes. That is, mainly the example of Osteichthyes is all types of fish. Mainly what we can see, that is Rui, Katla, Pilcha, it is said. And the main example of Chondrichthyes fish is shark, cod, tarpon, it is said. So some characteristics are present. That is air vessel, which are present in Osteichthyes fish, but which are absent in Chondrichthyes. Then the internal skeleton, that is the main point which their characterized, that is internal skeleton are bony in nature and in chondrichthyes fish cartilaginous in nature. Then mouth cavity. Mouth cavity mainly present or situated in the dorsal side of the head, and chondrichthyes, it is present in ventrally below the head. So it's present in chondrichthyes fish is ventrally below the head, the mouth cavity. Then the tails, mainly tails of osteichthyes fish are equally bifid, and the tails of chondrichthyes fish is unequally bifid. So I think you can understand this. Here you can see some board coming knowledge based question and multiple choice questions. So the main multiple choice questions are: which one is a horticultural crop? It came in 2019 on all board, and the options are cotton, rice, jute, potato. So the main horticultural crops are the vegetables, the flowers, the fruits and the spices. So these four options, the answer will be potato. Then the next question: which one is a granular crop? Granular crop is a of field crops, and here gram, mustard, jute, cow, all are field crops, but the granular crops are cow. So the answer will be option D, cow. Then jute is called field crop because the options are all crops mature and cultivated together, intensive care is more, and grown on vast area. So here mainly jute is called field crops because the characteristics 1 and 3 are similar to the characteristics of field crop. That is, all crops mature and collected together and grown on vast area. So the answer will be 1 and 3. Now some important knowledge based question which came in different boards in different years. First question is: what is agriculture? You already know that agriculture mainly comes from two Latin words, agar and cultura, and the agar means soil and culture means cultivation. So agriculture is the cultivation of crops in soil. Then what is agricultural education? It came in 2019. So agricultural studies, agricultural science or agricultural education. The answer is same. Then what is field crop? This is very important knowledge based question, that is what is field crop or what is horticultural crops, and this question is came in 2019-18 on Dhaka, Rajshahi Road, Kumila Road, Jashore Road. And you know that field crop is the crops which are grown in vast area without fencing. Then another important knowledge based question, and it came in 2017, that species belongs in which order, and the answer will be chordata. Here are some important another knowledge based question which came in different boards and different colleges, like what is fish, or what is poultry, or what is livestock, or what is social forest. Mainly poultry, what is poultry? The answer will be poultry is the bird which are reared in homestead and which have economic benefits. And the main example of poultry is chicken, duck, etc. And the livestock livestock. Main example of livestock is cows, goats, etc. And the definition of livestock is the animals which are rarely domestic and which are economic benefits. So these are the important knowledge-based questions, and here you can see some important forthcoming knowledge-based questions and multiple choice questions. Here you can see STEM-based MCQ, that is crop, field crop and air. So you wanted to understand that here it will be horticultural crop, and the question is which crop is mentioned in A sign on the stem, and the options are cotton, sugarcane, eggplant, jute. So the answer will be the example of horticultural crop, that is eggplant or brinjal. Then the second question, that is characteristics of A-mentioned crops. So if it is a horticultural crop, the options are intensive care is more, fencing may require, and risk is more. So the characteristics of that crop will be intensive crop is more and fencing may require, but risk is less than field crop. That's why the answer will be 1 and 2, that is option A. Now you can see some important comprehensive based question, that is why field crop is important in Bangladesh, and it came in 2019 on all board. Then why tomato is called horticultural crops. It may be why potato is called horticultural crops or any type example of horticultural crops. Here you have to write first the definition of horticultural crops and then the characteristics of horticultural crops, as tomato belongs to the horticultural crops. Then why social forest is so important, and it came in 2019 and 18 on Dhaka board. And here you have to write first the definition of social forest, and why it is important, because it is going or participating of all types of social people. And then the characteristics of oestichthyes and chondrichthyes fish, and these are the classification of fish and it belongs to the order. And here some another important comprehensive base are present in this topic, that is the importance of fish, the importance of livestock, the importance of poultry in Bangladesh. And here this question may came in another topic, that is why rice is called field crop, explained, as rice or paddies are main food or staple food, and it is the main field crop in Bangladesh. So these are the important knowledge based question and comprehensive based question. My dear students, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you all.